have to see the carbon and its compounds, that is classification of organic compound based on functional group. Before itself we see the kinds of atoms. Now we have to see the based on organic compounds. Before that we go how it will be naming nomenclature of organic compounds. Okay, before that you know alkanes and alkyl groups. Already you know alkane. Alkane general formula is CnH2n plus 2. So molecular formula I given here. What is alkyl group? Alkyl group is nothing but it is a less of one hydrogen in alkane group, that is known as alkyl group. That is denoted, see here, this alkyl group is denoted in letter R in each and every compound, that is known as alkyl group. From that alkyl group we going the nomenclature of, that is naming of organic compound, that is IUPAC name. So here the same way, instead of ANE you put YL, that is methyl. So instead of ANE you put YL, that is ethyl. First carbon methyl, second carbon ethyl, third carbon propyl, fourth carbon butyl. Like that it will be going on same as alkane. Okay. Next you see how we are naming. The same way I say alkyl groups are named by replacing the suffix alkane ANE with YL. Therefore removal of one hydrogen. So removal of one hydrogen you get the methyl group. See here, methane, it having 4 hydrogen in one carbon atom. When one hydrogen will be removed, it get CH3, that is methyl group. So you have to replace the ANE by YL, that is suffix you added instead of ANE by YL, that is known as name alkyl group. The same way you see one example, they given ethane. So removal of one hydrogen it gives CH3 CH2 bond. So instead of ANU you put YL. Okay. Next you see naming of alkane. Alkane you already know. Alkyl group are used to name organic compounds. The general formula of alkyl group is CnH2n plus 1. Alkane group is CnH2n plus 2. Here CnH2n plus 1. The letter R is often used in formulas to represent any of it possible alkyl group. Wherever the alkyl group is presented, we use the letter R, the capital R. So see here, the capital R represents CnH2n plus 2, any alkyl group. Suppose it is methyl group, we use single R. Here also R, it may be CH3. In a group, I have to mention how the R will be different. We have using more than one R. We use R dash like that, R1, R2 like that. Okay, we have see later in classification of organic compounds individual, that is we going to alcohol, aldehydes, etc. we use there. Okay, next functional group. What is meant by functional group? Organic compounds are classified by the presence of characteristics of functional groups. A functional group is defined as atom or a group of atoms that effectively determines the chemical properties of the organic compounds. That is, the functional group is explained the organic compound, chemical properties of organic compounds. Okay, definition. Functional group is a group of atoms within a large number of molecules that characterize the chemical reactivity. It reacts in the typical way, generally independent of the rest of the molecule. That is, the rest of the remaining part determine the physical properties of the organic compound. What is meant by physical properties? That is boiling point, melting point, density, specific capacity. These and all known as physical properties of organic compounds. Chemical properties means that characters of the organic compounds. Suppose you take alcohol, you know very well the properties. Aldehyde, ketone, like that it will be going on. Okay, next introduction of organic molecules and functional groups. Functional groups. A functional group is an atom. Same way again is saying group or atoms of groups which characterize the chemical and physical properties. It is the reactive part of the molecule. Most of the organic compounds have C single bond and CH single bond. However, many organic molecules possess other structural features also, that is CC double bond, CC triple bond and C double bond O, like that. These structural features distinguish one organic molecule from another. They determine a molecular geometrical, physical properties and reactivity and comparison, what is called as functional group. These are determine the function of the organic compound, that is chemical properties of the organic compounds. Already we know CC single bond is alkane, C double bond is alkene, C triple bond is alkyne. Okay, next in organic chemistry, functional groups are the specific substitutional or within the molecules that may be responsible for the characteristic chemical proper reactions of those molecules. Okay, in our book they given the structural framework of organic compounds are made up of carbon and hydrogen. Already you know very well, which are reactively less reactive, but the presence of some other atoms or groups, that is functional group of atoms, makes the compound more reactive and thus determines the chemical properties of compound. These groups are called the functional groups. So functional group, again I explained, the functional group is an atom or group of atom in a molecule which gives its characteristics of chemical properties. Okay, see here the chemical properties of organic compounds depends on its functional group, whereas its physical properties really on the remaining part of the structure. Carbon to carbon multiple bonds are also considered as a functional group of many, as the properties are influenced by these bonds. Other functional groups included atoms of halogens. What is meant by halogens? That is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, that are halogens. That is along with the organic compounds it's presented means atoms of halogens. Bond OH, comma, bond CHO, bond COOH, etc. These are the another functional group that is attached in the hydrocarbons. For example, ethane is a hydrocarbon having the molecular formula C2H6. If one of its hydrogen is replaced, see here, one of the hydrogen is replaced, that is CH3 bond CH3 is the skeletal structural form of ethane. Suppose here one hydrogen will be removed. See here, one OH will be addition. It is formed as ethanol, that is alcohol. If one of its hydrogen is replaced by bond OH group, you will get an alcohol, leaving the functional group. The rest of the structure is represented by or, that this one is represented by R. So the general formula is ROH. Okay, ROH. A series of compounds containing the same functional group is called as class of organic compounds. Some of the functional group we see in this lesson. Okay, see here, classification of organic compound, that is alkyne, alkyl, alcohol, carboxylic acid. I given the structural form functional group R. C triple bond C, you know very well, C triple bond C is alkyne. Alkyl, that is halide, X is halide. The X determines that it may be chlorine, bromine, iodine, like that. You add that ketone for alkyne, you use alcohol or OH, carboxylic acid or C double bond O, single bond OH. For ketone or C double bond O R. This R one functional group. This R is one alkyl group and this R is another one alkyl group. The same way here also. This R denotes the alkyl group. It may be single carbon, it may be 2 carbon, it may be 3 carbon, like that it may be presented like this. So these are the functional groups. Okay, next classes and suffix name. See here, classes and suffix name. Classes and suffix name. Carboxylic acid, you use the suffix instead of ANE, you put oic acid. Ester, you put ANE, instead of ANE, you put OAT. Next, aldehyde, AL. Ketone, ONE. Alcohol, OL. Amine, AMINE. Alkene, ENE. Alkyne, YNE. Alkane, ANE. Ether, ether. Okay. Next, alcohol, carboxylic acid. I given one example also. Suppose the R is single, that is one carbon. It forms, see here, you know very well, it having 3 hydrogen. I put here 3 hydrogen. Okay, next it addition with OH. So you see the skeleton form, that is CH3OH, that is hydrox or OH. R is denoted the alkyl group. So methyl, instead of YL you put O, that is methane, instead of E you put OL. Methane, instead of E you put OL, is known as alcohol. In carboxylic acid, see here, one R is here, it may be CH3 or CH3CH2, whatever it may be. It contains 3 carbons, because I given here propanoic acid, so it must have the 3 carbon. You write like this. This formula is written as, see here, I give that one. C. Carboxylic acid, you know, carbon contains double bond O and single bond OH. Totally how many bonds will be fulfilled? 4 bonds will be fulfilled. So it does not have any hydrogen in it. But this carbon, this center carbon contains only 2 bonds. So you put again 2 hydrogen. So you put 2 hydrogen here. Next, the last carbon contains only 1 hydrogen. So you put 3 hydrogen here. So CH3, CH2, COOH, that is known as propionic acid. One example I given. Suppose you write it as methanoic acid. How will you write? Methanoic acid, only 1 carbon. See here, only 1 carbon that contains 1 double bond and 1 OH. Totally how many bonds will be fulfilled? 3 bonds will be fulfilled. So 1 hydrogen you put. So you get the formula HCOOH. This is methanoic acid. That carbon contains 1. N is equal to 1. Okay. Next, aldehyde. That is R double bond OH. This is written as, see here, R CHO. This can be written as like this. Ethanol. So instead of E you put Al. Okay. In alkane, instead of E you put Al. How many carbon is here? 2 carbon. So 2 carbon, you write down 2 carbon, and it will be bonded with 1 double bond oxygen, 1 single bond hydrogen. See here, this carbon contains 4 valency also fulfilled. So it does not contains any other hydrogen atom. But this carbon contains 3 hydrogen atom. So CH3 CHO, that is, you write it as CH3 CHO. This is the formula of ethanol. Okay. That also for ketone. I explained briefly in individually. Okay. Next, again I given the name, group, formula, one example, and general formula, and how it will be named, that is suffix, how it will be you adding prefix or suffix. Here suffix only one, that is hello, okay, that is that you not having in your book. This only you have no, that is prefix you had as bromo. Remaining are you adding the suffix as ane, ene, ol, al, one, like that. Okay, individually I explained this one. Okay, next functional isomerism. What is meant by functional isomerism? Functional isomerism have the same molecular formula. You know very well that alcohol having ROH, that same formula but different structural formula. Now here you see ethyl alcohol, that is this one is ethanol. Ethanol, IUPAC name is ethanol. This same compound we have to write like this also, that is COC. This is the functional group. Here this is the functional group. It will be differing with each other. See, this is OH and this is O. O is ether group, OH is alcoholic group. So same molecular formula but different structural formula. See here, the structure of dimethyl ether is CH3OCH3. Here ethyl alcohol is CCOH, that is CH3 CH2OH. So CH3 CH2, the structure will be varying, so the chemical properties also differ. This having the alcoholic properties, this having the ether properties. So same molecular formula. See here, how many carbon? 2 carbon. So the general formula is C2H1 2 3 4 5 6. So H is 6 and O, C2H6O. The general formula of this compound is C2H6O, but it having different structural formula, that is known as functional isomerism. The functional group will be varying, so functional isomerism. Okay, functional groups, that what are the functional groups that presented? Already we saw that one. Types of functional groups also we see here. See here, class of, in your book they given few functional groups only, that can you read in this lesson, it will be enough. Okay, class of compounds, alcohols, functional group OH, common formula ROH. One example will be given, you not see this one. Later videos I will explain those things, then you see this one. Up to this one you have to know it, what is the general formula, how the functional group also. Okay, alcohol is OH and the common formula is ROH. Here R denotes, that is alkyl group. It may be single carbon or double carbon or triple carbon, it may be any carbon, number of carbons will be presented. Okay, aldehyde CHO or CHO. R is alkyl group. Ketone C double bond O, that is bond given. No, this bond is functionated with R. This R and this are also alkyl group. It may be single carbon or double carbon or triple, number of carbon will be presented. Next, carboxylic acid group, that is bond COOH or COOH. This R is alkyl group. The same way ester and ether also. This example I explain laterly. Okay, functional group and isomerism, the same way I given no before that. Here also C3H6O, you can draw these two structure and identify it. You can draw or not. Okay, next functional group name, molecular formula and example I given here. You have to know this one. Some of the example you don't want to read this one. After laterly we read this two, you want to read down. Okay, that's all. Tomorrow we will see.